Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a pretty peachy everyday kind of look, especially for summertime vibe, and also a TikTok everyday dance look, because this is what I'm wearing every day, and especially when I'm doing TikTok dances, it looks put together and glowy and peachy and natural looking, but still glam. So like, it was a lot of steps, but yeah, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, so keep on watching. Okay, I have my brows on. That's in another tutorial for you if you wanted to see how I got this brows. Okay, I'm gonna prime my face. I only have the LTMD sunscreen on, which is a tinted sunscreen, but you see that it doesn't cover anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for TikTok today. I'm gonna go first with primer. I'm gonna get this Becca First Light primer. I love this primer. I'm gonna shake it a little, and I'm going to apply it all over on top of the sunscreen. I don't really care. You see it's purple, and it's just gonna give my skin just a little prep for my makeup, and it's really good. Feels so good on the skin. Moisturize and glow. And I just applied it with my fingers. Now I'm gonna go with another primer just in my T-zone, and of course it's gonna be this Professional Benefit pore primer, just in the middle. It does really fill in my pores, you know, it looks really good with it. So, because I'm dancing and whatever on TikTok, I really want it to be like set in place, and I don't want my makeup to move during whatever I'm doing. So I am really focusing on the base, priming, and also setting spray before the makeup and after. So I might go with this. This is a really good foundation, NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Patagonia. I think that's how you say it. Yep. And this will match my skin right now. Just applying it with my beauty blender. Oh, it covers so good. And this is the right color for me for today. Let's apply concealer. You know what? I'm gonna use this concealer because, I don't know, we're into the NARS, so I'm gonna use this NARS concealer. This is the small one. I have the big one. I don't know where it is, but this is in the shade Custard, medium one. And I think I'm going to apply some here. And here. And here. This concealer, and especially with this foundation, is really one of my go-to. So good. Just blending it with my beauty blender. I'm going to apply whatever left on my eyelids. So yeah, it looks so flawless already. I'm going to apply setting powder, and just to set on my face in place, it rhymes, Cover effects rhymes, so I'm going to apply that right now. Cover effects setting powder in translucent. I'm just going to apply it. It's such a good setting powder. I usually use the Laura Mercier, but both are really good. I highly recommend both of them. And for a tip that it won't crease, before you apply the powder, just dab it again right here where you crease. Just make sure it's smooth, and then quickly take the powder and apply it. And then I assure you that it looks flawless. Like, look at the difference and you tell me, okay? And because this side is all obviously with the powder, I'm gonna go with this side where I didn't apply anything and make sure that I don't have this crease here, and then go to the powder right away. And on the nose and everywhere else where I need to set everything. But look how gorgeous this base look. I'm going to apply more of this setting spray. Okay, to bronze up my face, I'm gonna go with Milani, and this is, I don't know what it calls, but I'm guessing it's a bronzer. I mean, this is what I'm using it as. I'm using it like so much. This is so pretty. It's like flowers inside, and it's really nice bronzy color. I'm just gonna take this brush, Sephora angled blush brush, and I'm going to apply this bronzer. It's a very natural bronzer with very luminous finish. And then I'm gonna go with the blush. It's L'Oreal blush in the shade 192, Just Curious. This is a peachy shade, and it's so pretty for summertime. With the same brush. So I'm gonna go with the same blush, but I'm gonna take a different brush for like to apply it on my eyelid as well, just to match everything. So I'm not really doing any eyeshadow look. It's like a basically everyday kind of look. Obsessed with this highlight, the Fenty Beauty small highlight Hustler Baby color. This is a peachy highlight, and it's going well with what I'm wearing on right now. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH09. Just gonna apply it here. Wow, it looks amazing. And as I told you, I'm going to apply some highlight right there. The same brush. With the same highlighter, I need a smaller brush to apply it in my inner corner. The same one. So basically right now it's just lips. I'm usually wearing a lip gloss or a lip balm. I'm gonna take like this, the NYX Dainty Days. It's very peachy, so let's do that. Then I'm gonna go with a very shiny lip gloss. I love this Kylie one in the shade Sweet High Gloss, and it's just so pretty. I think it's gonna go with this peachy look. Yeah, it is very pretty. But because of the virus and the corona, I know whenever I have a mask on, I don't really care about my lips, because especially I'm not gonna wear lip gloss if I have a mask on, because it's so sticky, and I mean it's gonna stick to the mask. So sometimes I'm just gonna be without anything, because it's not worth the time to apply any lip gloss and then take it off when I'm wearing a mask. So, but this is kind of my look because I'm staying home and I'm going to do some TikToks and I need some really pretty lip gloss. So actually let me take some of that off. Now it will look more put together. For mascara, I'm gonna go first with this Lash Paradise L'Oreal. I love this mascara. And I'm not curling my lashes, but I'm just gonna do that before and apply it. Okay, this already looks amazing. I'm gonna go with another mascara. I have this new Marc mascara. How pretty it looks. So again, how it looks pretty. I'm gonna apply a little bit to my lower lashes, not too much because I like this look. Just like so. I really wanted to keep it simple. And sometimes I do wear like a flick of eyeliner, brown eyeliner, with my gel liner from my Marc Jacobs. But for this time, I mean today, I'm not feeling it. I feel this is really nice, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm feeling really put together, and this peachy vibe look match my robe, which is from Victoria's Secret. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I really love this look. So yeah, you can really see how it turns out. Super pretty, glowy, yet everything will stay on for a long time, and just how I like it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and write me a comment down below whatever you want to see next, or about this look or anything, and follow me on Instagram. Turn on the notification bell to know when I'm going to apply whenever I'm going to have a new video. Why am I saying apply like I'm still in the tutorial? Okay, anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you on my next video. Bye!